Right now, at this exact moment, a weather system is forming that will slam 250 million Americans this week. And if you are heading outdoors anywhere between California and Maine in the next 7 days, you need to hear this. 3 separate storm systems, 15 feet of snow in some mountain areas, tornado warnings in February, and a temperature swing so extreme that Dallas will drop 40 degrees in just 36 hours. Here is what is coming for your city, and here is exactly when it hits. Let me start with the danger zone because this one caught even meteorologists off guard. The Storm Prediction Center just issued a rare day 4 severe weather outlook. They do not do this unless something serious is developing. We are talking about a severe weather outbreak hitting the Ohio Valley between Thursday night and Friday morning. Louisville, you are directly in the crosshairs. Cincinnati, Indianapolis, St. Louis, Evansville, Clarksville, Lexington. If you live anywhere in this corridor, Thursday is the day to be weather aware. Here is what makes this so dangerous. Gulf moisture is surging north with dew points hitting the mid-60s. In February, in Indiana. That almost never happens. At the same time, a strong low-pressure system is racing through the Great Lakes, creating intense wind shear. When warm, moist air collides with that rotating system, you get supercells. And supercells in February can spawn tornadoes when people are not expecting them. The timing is critical. Storms will likely fire up Thursday evening between 6 and 8 post-meridium east of St. Louis. They will race northeast into Indiana and Kentucky overnight. By Friday morning, southern Ohio could see rotating storms. If you live in this area, make sure your phone alerts will wake you up. Severe weather at 3 a.m. is particularly dangerous because people are asleep. Now let me give you the temperature shock that is fueling all of this. Tomorrow, Tuesday, Dallas hits 80 degrees. San Antonio reaches 84. Even Sioux Falls gets to 64 degrees. That is shorts and t-shirt weather in mid-February. Wednesday gets even warmer. Chicago climbs into the upper 60s. Springfield hits 67. Columbus, Ohio reaches the low 60s. Washington, D.C., Raleigh, Columbia, Jacksonville, Atlanta, Montgomery, New Orleans, Houston, Little Rock. You are all experiencing spring-like warmth. Enjoy it while it lasts because everything changes Thursday. A massive cold front crashes through. Louisville will have a 59-degree dew point at 10 post-meridium Thursday. Just a few miles west in St. Louis, 31 degrees, you read that right. Half the moisture. That sharp dividing line is where the storms explode. After the storms pass, temperatures crater. By Saturday and Sunday, most of Texas struggles to reach the 50s. Areas that were in the 70s and 80s on Wednesday will barely crack 50 degrees by the weekend. Arctic air floods in from Western Canada and British Columbia. It will modify as it moves southeast, but you will absolutely feel the difference. Now let us talk about what is happening out west because this is where things get truly extreme. California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Utah, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico. You are about to get absolutely hammered with system after system. We are measuring snow in feet, not inches. Some mountain locations could see 8 to 15 feet of total accumulation by this time next week. The Sierra Nevada is ground zero. Snow levels drop as low as 1,500 feet. That is not a typo. Normally, we are talking about snow above 6,000 feet. This system brings heavy snow down to 1,500 feet elevation. The Interstate 5 Grapevine is at serious risk of closure. If you have travel plans through Donner Pass, Tioga Pass, any of the major mountain corridors, check conditions immediately. Do not assume the roads are open. Here is the timeline for the West Coast. Heavy rain and snow are already moving into Northern California Monday night. By Tuesday morning, the Sierras are getting crushed. This continues through Wednesday. Then a reinforcing shot of cold air and moisture arrives Thursday. That second system is even stronger. It pulls more Pacific moisture inland and drops temperatures further. By Friday and Saturday, the Four Corners region gets involved. Snow spreads into Utah, Wyoming, western Colorado, northern Arizona, northwestern New Mexico. Some ski resorts that have struggled with below-average snowfall this season are about to make up serious ground. If you are a snow lover, this is your Super Bowl. But here is what nobody is talking about. Los Angeles has been under multiple severe thunderstorm warnings today, tornado possible tags. In Los Angeles, that threat continues tomorrow and possibly Wednesday around San Francisco and Sacramento. Waterspouts are possible off the coast. This is not typical California weather. For outdoor events, listen carefully. If you are attending the Great American Outdoor Show in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, February 7th through 15th, Monday through Thursday, look good. But Friday the 13th and Saturday the 14th could see snow and much colder temperatures as that Arctic blast finally reaches the mid-Atlantic, Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Fat Tuesday is February 17th. The big parades roll Wednesday, February 11th through Monday, February 16th. Wednesday and Thursday look spectacular. Warm, dry, perfect parade weather. But that cold front arrives Friday. You will need layers and rain gear for the weekend parades. Endymion on Saturday, February 14th. Bacchus on Sunday, February 15th. Orpheus on Monday, February 16th. All three could see showers and temperatures 20 degrees cooler than midweek. Mardi Gras Day itself, Tuesday, February 17th, looks dry but chilly. Mid-50s instead of the 70s. Saranac Lake Winter Carnival in New York runs February 6th through 15th. You get great winter weather all week, cold and snowy, perfect for the Ice Palace and outdoor activities. No major storms threaten this event. The Tubac Festival of the Arts in Arizona, February 4th through 8th, stays dry. But that second wave of moisture arrives late in the weekend. Sunday could see showers. World of Winter Festival in Grand Rapids runs select dates throughout February. The first half of the month looks cold but manageable. After February 15th, much colder air locks in. Now here is something developing that you need to know about. The GFS model is hinting at a potential nor'easter around February 22nd. 5 days after Mardi Gras, Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C. This is not a guarantee, it is one model run. But if it develops, it could be significant. I will keep you updated. Let me give you city-by-city timing for the biggest impacts this week. Seattle and Portland. Heavy rain and mountain snow Monday through Saturday. Cascades could see 3 to 6 feet. San Francisco and Sacramento. Rain and thunderstorms Monday through Thursday. Flooding possible in burn-scar regions. Los Angeles and San Diego. Thunderstorms Monday through Wednesday. Mountain snow above 1,500 feet. Las Vegas. Rain Wednesday. Mountain snow Thursday and Friday. Phoenix. Showers Thursday and Friday. Denver. Snow Wednesday through Friday. 4 to 8 inches in the city. 1 to 2 feet in the mountains. Albuquerque. Snow Thursday night into Friday, 2 to 4 inches, Salt Lake City. Snow Tuesday through Saturday, 8 to 16 inches in valleys, 2 to 4 feet in mountains, Boise. Snow Tuesday through Friday, 6 to 12 inches, 1 to 3 feet nearby mountains, Billings and Great Falls. Blizzard conditions Monday night, 6 to 10 inches, Fargo and Grand Forks. Blizzard warning, 8 to 12 inches with drifting, Minneapolis and Duluth. Blizzard through Wednesday. Duluth 10 to 14 inches, winds 45 miles per hour. Marquette and Upper Peninsula, 1 to 2 feet Tuesday through Thursday. Chicago, upper 60s Wednesday. Rain Thursday. 30s Friday through Sunday, St. Louis, 67 Wednesday. Severe storms Thursday evening, 6 to 9 post-meridium. Upper 30s Friday, Indianapolis, 65 Wednesday. Severe weather Thursday night, 9 post-meridium to 2 IEM. Tornado threat near 40 Friday, Cincinnati and Louisville, mid-60s Wednesday. Severe storms Thursday night, 8 post-meridium to 4 AM. Supercells possible. Tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, all threats. Low 40s Friday, Nashville and Memphis. Low 70s Wednesday. Strong storms Thursday night. Chilly Friday, Dallas and Fort Worth. 80 Tuesday, 76 Wednesday. 55 Friday, low 50s weekend, Houston. 84 Tuesday and Wednesday, showers Friday, upper 50s weekend, Atlanta. 72 Wednesday, possible storms Friday, mid-50s weekend, Charlotte and Raleigh. Upper 60s Wednesday, showers Friday, near 55 weekend, Washington, D.C. 65 Wednesday, rain Friday, near 45 weekend, Philadelphia and New York. Low 60s Wednesday, rain Friday, low 40s weekend, Boston. Upper 50s Wednesday, rain and snow Friday, near 40 weekend, watching potential storm early next week. The pattern for the next 2 weeks overall favors warmer than average temperatures across most of the country despite these cold shots. Dallas, Oklahoma City, Topeka, Little Rock, the heartland stays milder than normal. Even areas that see these cold fronts will average above normal when you look at the 14-day period. But I want to be clear about something. We are still in fall spring. After this 2-week warm period, I expect a pattern shift late February into early March. Troughing develops in the east. The stage gets set for potential major winter storms. If you love snow and you live in the Northeast or Mid-Atlantic, stay tuned. I think we could see significant events in that late February, early March window. Comment below with your city, and I will give you a more specific forecast for your exact location. Are you traveling this week? Attending any of these outdoor events? Let me know where you are and what you are doing. The Western Mountains are about to get buried. The Ohio Valley faces a dangerous, severe weather outbreak Thursday night, and temperature swings of 30 to 40 degrees are coming for almost everyone. This is not a normal February week. This is a week where you need to pay attention. Check back tomorrow because that nor'easter possibility around February 22nd needs close monitoring. If it develops, it will impact tens of millions of people. Stay weather aware, stay safe, and I will see you in the next